Hey guys, it's Mr. Joshua with another Gundam msia review. And this morning, I would like to show off to you guys my in the making Desert Zaku 2 version 1. Um, I actually did this dude about almost 4 or 5 months ago. I originally used a Char's Zaku 2, so this guy was originally pink, and he's just been repainted and recolored twice to give him a nice tan color that he has now. This guy was actually pretty fun to make. I bought him in the part slot, so he's missing one of the leg cables, so that's kind of a bummer. But with miracle of resin casting, hopefully I'll be able to make one of those. But as a matter of fact, I actually have the mold for it right now. Don't really know where it ran off to. It's okay, I can always make another one. But anyways, yeah. Like I said before, this guy was originally a Char's Zaku 2, and he's been recolored and repainted. The skirt and the torso were originally this purplish color, which is the original color for the torso and skirt. And I got this really nice, Mr. Hobby color paint that I got from Japan, and the stuff actually works real well, and it's pretty accurate with the msia colors. And this dude's pretty cool looking. He really is. The only thing I don't really like about this figure in particular, it's the shoulder shield. Like I said, I dyed this dude back in, I want to say, about mid-July, back when everything was like fucking hotter than hell. And so I wasn't able to get certain parts of it done the right way. Like that foot, for example, is kind of an off color. But it is what it is. I'm probably going to end up using this paint and painting over that. But let's give you guys a nice little 360 around. Probably going to keep this red. I'm not really sure. Kind of liking it. And he's got the nice little rank right there. It's pretty cool. Then this side over here, I took off the Char's little emblem. Yeah. And this guy's actually really cool looking. He came out really nice. Before, back in July, it actually took me, see, July, August, September, October. It took me 7 months to get back to this figure. Yeah, it's pretty shitty. But I actually have two of these I'm making right now. Here's the torso for the second one. Also, Char's Zaku 2. But anyways, yeah. When I first dyed these two figures, they were really, really, really dark brown. Like I want to say more of a root beer brown color, which was kind of shitty. And like some of my other projects that I do, that kind of fail and I got pissed off at it, and so I left these guys in a bag for about 7 months and finally got back to them. And then yesterday what I did was I started painting the torsos because I was like, all right, well I got this paint, now I'm going to start painting these torsos again. I was sitting there thinking about it. I was like, you know what? For shits and giggles, because I don't know what's going to happen. Let's just toss these torsos and legs and head into some water and just boil them. And that's what I did. I actually boiled these guys for about 3 hours, and this is what I came up with. Nice tan desert Zaku 2. It's pretty cool looking, really, really cool. Like I'm actually thinking about going back and just touch up on this and this and just turn them either black or just tan. You know, I just wanted to see what the figure would look like. I mean, it looks nice. Maybe it can be something like I don't know, like maybe it's a commander or something. This is what it'll look like with everything painted. He needs another coat or two. No big deal. But usually, what ends up happening is when you light a figure like what I did, it'll go back to you know a shade or two darker. And that's because when the cold gets to it, it kind of does this weird chemical reaction, which I'm pretty sure I'm not 100%, but I'm banking on the fact that this is the color he's going to stay for now on. Because right now it's like I want to say it's about 40, 45 degrees, and last night it hit freezing. Last night it was about 26 degrees here in Anderson, so I'm pretty sure that it's gonna stay this color. That and my garage gets colder and fuck. I have like no insulation in here. It's probably the reason why I'm a little sick, but it is what it is. And the other guy that I'm making, the other Zaki too, he doesn't have any. I'm looking right now. All of this stuff is in the it's my drying bin. He has no shoulder pads or anything whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is I have abundance of Zaki 1 shields. All these are resin cast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make him a custom. I'm going to find another one of these. I'm going to use this paint them. I'm going to drill in some holes right in here. Put some pegs in there and bam. For both sides. And I think that's going to look pretty badass, It's going to give it that nice, rugged, like desert feel to them, I think it's going to look really nice. I've done it once before and it was pretty cool. But, yeah. This guy is actually going to be on eBay along with its counterpart pretty soon. I mean, this is not what they're going to come with, and it's going to obviously I'm going to try to make them as complete as possible. I'm going to try to resin cast or use injection mold to try to figure out how to make another cable. But I've got some weapons and things that are going to come with heat hawks and cannons, rocket launchers for feet. I'm probably going to end up gluing in those rocket launcher with the foot rocket launcher things. So that way so that way when they're in my bin waiting to be sold, I won't lose them or anything. I have abundance of resin casted foot rocket things too, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, sorry about carrying on this video a little too far. I just when I start talking, I'll just keep on talking. But yeah, anyways, if anyone's interested, just give me a shout out and ask me. Well, tell me what you guys want. This guy's gonna be on a bid for like $12 or something, nothing expensive. So yeah, keep an eye out. Anyways, thanks for watching and stay tuned for some more Gundam msia reviews.